From C1 to C8, there are 8 lines in this new workshop, and each line will about have 25 to 30 sets of VMC. This is the frame, and this is the finished machine. This is a small VMC. It's about, let me check. Oh, it's a VMC 640, and this is the EM1100. It's very popular in the world, in market. This one uses the heat exchanger. Also, you can add the AC for optional items, and the transformer, and the water tank. Let me find one. Can open the electronic cabinet. I think this one will be okay. This is the electronic cabinet and the panel driver and some other electronic components.